Hit max loss today. It was not a good trading day for me. I took 3 trades. They were all losing trades, and they were all just bad decisions. My watch list today was NIO, RKT, CCL, and AAL. I took trades on NIO and CCL, I think. But so this is NIO. It kind of fooled me twice, and really, these are just poor decisions, and I'll explain why. So it runs up, nice bullish open, starts to curl. Volume's still strong. We get bearish volume in here. And usually on a consolidation, I like to see bearish volume that is, that's significant, but less than the previous volumes. So right off the bat, we're getting bearish volume that's equaling the amount of volume from the previous candles. And I normally don't take trades in this situation. But on the 5-minute chart, there was so much bullish volume, it seemed like a reasonable consolidation. I got in right at the $19 mark. I said, all right, it's going to pull back to 19, and then we're going to go to this daily level I have of 1944. It didn't happen. I stopped out. And then because it bounced off this moving average and started coming back up, I thought, okay, now the move's going to happen. So I got back in again right at the $19 mark. And I could have taken a partial out here for 10 cents or something, but I really was waiting for it to get back to high of day for my first partial. It never did, and I stopped out. But I would say for my style of trading, this is a bad trade because this is too much bearish volume to go long on. I normally look for, something more like this. I like the difference between the candles to be substantial, and this says go short, right? This is strong bearish volume followed by a weaker bullish volume consolidation. But so those were 2 bad trades. Then I went to CCL and kind of made the same mistake. It kind of formed my favorite pattern, but I got a late entry on it, so this kind of makes a bearish boot there. But normally the proper entry would have been 1820. For me, for my style of trading, I'd like to take it short right when it breaks through here, and then if it gets through VWAP or this 100 MA, that can be your stop out. But instead, I chased it. I got in right at the $18 mark because I thought it was going to break through. But it's such a fragile place to enter because a lot of people are going to take longs from 18, and even though it ended up being a short to this level that I saw down here and the 200 MA, getting near that. Really, it's just it's not a good entry here. This 1820 was the perfect entry. So I took it short here. It shook me out, and then it did make, a good enough move to where I could have made a little bit of money on it. But it shook me out because my entry wasn't good enough. So a bad day for me, all 3 losing trades, hit max loss. And I always hate doing that on Friday, but I'll come back next week and we'll regroup.